This is what video AI looked like just 1 year ago. And in today's video, we're going to be testing out Sora.com from ChatGPT OpenAI. And I'm going to show you how far this has come and why I believe the film industry is done for. This is going to revolutionize video. Let's jump right into it. Here's Sora. You go to Sora.com and let's get started. So we're just going to scroll through and we're actually going to make some videos. We're going to prompt the Sora AI and we're going to make our own custom videos. So here it is. So if you go to Sora.com and we go to the features section, so you could see this is all 100% AI. It's getting pretty ridiculous, I must admit. I mean, look at this quality. So we're going to scroll through a few of these videos and then we're going to make some. Like, I mean, come on, this is ridiculous. I feel bad for all my filmmaker friends because the days are coming. I mean, this is in 6 to 9 months and here we are today. Look at some of this content. I mean, it's getting to the point where it's like 95% there and it's almost unrecognizable. I mean, here's a lady carrying a giant peach. Here is a man finding gold, panning for gold. There's still obviously some details that need to be worked out, but this is just a matter of time. Okay, so no further ado, let's actually make something really, really fun. Okay, so here's an idea. So if you can, let me make this a little bigger so you guys can see. So down here we get the prompt. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go 16 by 9. Let's just do a 480 and let's do this. A basketball rolling down a busy city street in the future. Year 2050. I want it to be super realistic and colorful with an avant-garde style. All right, here we go. So basically you hit enter and then it queues it up for you. It goes up here. So now we're just going to click on this. And then while we wait for that, I want to show you the videos I've already made. So here's some videos that I made. So I started with some animations. So this was a Street Fighter style video with Santa Claus. Here's an influencer looking at an iPhone. So these are all images that I already made. Here's an influencer, like tech influencer. Check this out. This is pretty sweet. Then I did a man running through the city through a white door. I don't know what that floating thing was, but look at that. I mean, this is really starting to look. Here's a funny one. So I did my Chihuahua on top of a German tanker. So that's another one. Then I did some like realistic, like UGC style content. So this is a style shift. I'm Polish. So I did a hyperistic of a Polish woman picking flowers, an older woman in Wrocław. So Wrocław is the city. And if you look in the background here, this is actually the church in Wrocław. So it took the context and actual location of the place. I did like XRP coin spinning. And then I did a 30-year-old fit woman in a white, this looks pretty realistic. I mean, you know, if you looked at it very quickly, it's 100% real. There's no way you could tell me that this is AI. And here is the basketball. Yeah, so you could tell I made it really difficult for the AI to create the motion. That's why I did a really difficult prompt. So a spinning basketball, right? It has to do a lot of computing. But you could tell to look at the future. You got a bunch of people walking. Obviously, the basketball is going to be a tough one. All right, so let's do another fun prompt. So let's go here. And let's look at something. Maybe what we can do is actually try to... this is actually really good. How about this? Macro video of a flower, of a yellow flower with a tiny, what kind of funny animal? A tiny dog inside the flower barking at the camera. Let's just go with that. Let's go. That's pretty broad, but we have some specifics. So macro photography, and obviously it's up close, the flower, and then we have a dog in it. So let's see what ends up happening. Sorry guys, this light is really bugging me. I have it here and it just keeps freaking falling on me. I don't understand what's happening. Okay. Here is one. Here we got some boxer, we got some king. I mean, you can see that this stuff is getting pretty insane. I like the flying one. Some realistic. Here's some field, some birthday cake. And you can try this for free. You get, like, I think 10 videos or 15 videos for free. Here's a man on a bicycle. Okay, let's take a look. Tiny dog. Okay, so this is actually really interesting. Help improve Sora's pick the best video in this set. Look at this. This is incredible. So this one obviously is better. It's actually more what we wrote. This one's kind of like a zooming out one. Still pretty cute, pretty cool. But this one just looks like a nicer quality. So we're going to select that. And then we're going to select it and we're going to watch it now. I mean, come on. How incredible is this? Yeah, so as you guys can see, video as we know it is going to change here already. And I'm sure this is already being implemented. This is what we have access to. So just imagine the power of the video tools and AIs that are out there being already used in the studios, in Hollywood. You know, are they already being able to replace actors? Are they able to replace different locations where you no longer have to go on location to shoot a, you know, Honda Civic coming around the corner? So like, is that already happening? Obviously, we don't know the details, but we can speculate that things are definitely starting to become widely used at scale. And the possibility of where this is going in another 1 to 3 to 6 months is going to change the world as we know it. I think most commercials are going to be done like this. I think most music videos are going to be done like this. And I truly believe filmmaking is definitely going to change here in the next year, guaranteed. I think movies will be using AI to create not only scenes, but actual full films, especially short films at first. You know, right now it's still the processing power limitations that there is, but it's a very exciting time. So this is pretty fun to play with. So you guys definitely have a go. Yeah, just go to Sora.com and sign up. It's free to sign up. If you have a paid account, ChatGPT, then I think you get access to a bunch of credits. But yeah, if you guys want to check out a bunch of other AI content, I have a channel, Marcin AI, where I build stuff no code. I have a SaaS project that I'm working on currently, and a bunch of other training videos that I'm going to be launching here shortly. So yeah, give a follow, and I'll see you guys in the next video.